Welcome back. Porvorim police are allegedly trying to hush up an assault case against Constable Rupesh Naik attached with Chapora Coastal Police. Assault victim Sarvesh Shirodkar has alleged that Porvorim police has registered a non-cognizable offence and freed the accused. STPO of Porvorim, Nelson Albuquerque, informed that NC has been registered on the basis of medical report of the complainant.
Porvorim resident Sarvesh Shirodkar says that on 8th March, Constable Rupesh Naik and two of his friends Nitesh Naik and Salim brutally assaulted him without any reason. Complainant Sarvesh Shirodkar further stated that probably they attacked and assaulted him under the influence of alcohol. Sarvesh said police has registered a non-cognizable offence.
8 तारखे रातचे म्हाका तोड्डाच्या भुरग्यांनी येवन मारलो थंय हांवें रुपेश नायक मागीर तेजो भाव आनी सलीम तिगांनी येवन मारलो म्हाका थंय कांयच जावंक ना डायरेक्ट येवन मारपाक लागले आनी ते पियाल्ले बरेंच पियाल्ले सकाळी पुलीस कंप्लेन केली मागीर हांवें तिसरो दीस जालो तरी पूण अजून पर्यंत तेजेर कांयच एक्शन जावंक ना आनी एनसी केल्ली.
SDPD of Porvorim Nelson Albuquerque told Prudent that non-cognizable offence has been registered in this case on the basis of medical report of complainant. Medical examination was conducted in GMC and reports suggest that it was a minor injury. Showing his fractured hand, complainant Sarvesh Shirodkar alleged that Porvorim police is now trying to hush up the case, as alleged attacker is also a policeman.
ते म्हणटा हे कितें नॉर्मल मार म्हणटा तो पुलीस तेजेर आतां कित्याक म्हणून एक्शन अजून जायना ती खबर ना.
Over this allegation, SDPDO Nelson Albuquerque further said, if the complainant is not happy with the action taken by us, then he has legal option to approach the court. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent.
Congress has demanded investigation into wrongdoings of Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo. Spokesperson Agnel Fernandez accused Michael of threatening the church fabrica of Arpara. Agnel is claiming Michael's involvement in illegal land filling. Meanwhile, Sunil Kautankar said government is insensitive towards the issue of SAG workers who are on strike to secure their livelihood.
Mr. Lobo was trying to build a road through the fields belonging to the Comunidad without any NOC from the Comunidad. He is a legislator, but he seems to think that he is the law because he is going around with the equipment like a contractor. He has been grabbing land of the people, threatening, blackmailing them, or the landlords, small and big, to make roads for hotels and builders.
Agnel demands that the government should thoroughly probe illegal land filling by Kalangut MLA.
He's been threatening the church authority, he's been threatening the Fabrica members of that village, he's been threatening the parish council members of that village. The CM should rein in this wayward MLA office. He is acting like a Rambo wherever he is going. And he should investigate into all the wrongdoings, all this land grabbing, all these illegal land fillings, and all these threats.
Congress also raised the issue of SAG workers on strike.
आणि कसलीच सरकार सेन्सिटिव्ह असून जाय असलो अजिबात सेन्सिटिव्ह ना पण वर्कर क्लासाक कशें हेल्प करप कित्याक तांकां कमिटमेंट्स आसता तांचे सॅलरी पेंडींग दवरप तांकां कामाक काडून उडोवप तांकां धमकोवप आनी स्पेशली कोण ते वर्कर युनियनांतले आपले हक्का खातीर आपणे काम केल्ले कश्ट केल्ले आपले कश्टाचे पगार मागपाक जे कोण गेल्ले युनियना कडेन तांकां आपूण तुमकां कातरून मारतले ही भाशा वापरप.
Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent. Congress is rallying behind former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, who has been summoned as accused in coal blocks allocation case. Congress leaders held a solidarity march in his favor. Congress President Sonia Gandhi said that the Congress party is fully behind Singh. She said the party will fight it legally.
Congress leaders marched towards Manmohan Singh's residence from AICC headquarters to show solidarity with the former PM. Sonia Gandhi led the march.
We are outraged at the news of summons being served to Dr. Manmohan Singh. Dr. Manmohan Singh ji is our former Prime Minister. He is known not only in our country but throughout the world as being a person of integrity and probity. We are here to offer our unstinted support, our solidarity We are fully, the Congress party is fully behind him.
A special court summoned the then Coal Minister Manmohan Singh in a coal block allocation case on Wednesday, terming it a criminal conspiracy with the objective to do an illegal act. He, along with other 5 accused, have been summoned as accused in a case related to allocation of the Talwira to coal block in Odisha in 2005. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.